Hello, my name is Caterina Medrano Palacios. The course is Phonetics in English. I am going task 5 pronunciation practice. Number 1. Reading. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind reading, intonation, and stress. Muy bien. Number 1, say, teacher protests. The protest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and their money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. School say that there is no money. However, teachers don't believe that. They say that the school spends money in different things. Number 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners. Then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sound. For example, cat, bat, white, wise, right, row, kite, night, take, steak, cool, cough, coach, bean, bean, teal, peel, dish, fish, day, pay, pig, deal, peel, duck, buck, day, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, toe, got, town, gone, tie, guide, tag, got, tool, good, ta, got, table, gable, think, tail, fail, tone, fun, tea, big. Number 3. Intonation and stress. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasegmental feature. Statement with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her a student story. A statement with 5 stresses. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tina is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, raising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Those cheery bulls in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I showed them that it, should I? Command falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Asking to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I cannot. He didn't. Is all. Thank you for paying attention. Bye.